Good afternoon, students. In our previous practical, we discussed that how to draw 3D part with the help of uh, different commands, and today we'll see some other commands which is used to construct the 3D part. So let's see first the chamfer command. So there are two types of chamfer: edge chamfer and corner chamfer. Today we'll see first chamfer, edge chamfer, then move towards the corner chamfer. So let's see what is edge chamfer. Most of the time in our drawing, there are some sharp edges, and if you want to eliminate that sharp edges from that part, then we have to use this chamfer operation. So in our drawing, we can also use this chamfer command. So let's see how it works. First of all, click on edge chamfer. After by clicking on that edge chamfer, this window will get open, and from here there are the different four types of uh, chamfers. First one is d by d. So d by d is nothing but distance into distance. So if we provide some distance here, suppose it is 50 mm. Suppose, sorry, it is 15 mm, and just by clicking on that sharp edge, so let's see, d by d, that means distance into distance, vertical distance as well as horizontal distance, total it is 15 mm. So this is the edge chamfer. If you want to change the dimension of that chamfer, just go to that operation from that tree, just right click and go to edit definition and change the dimension. Suppose instead of 15 it is 25, and then click on OK. Now this is the edge chamfer, that means d by d. So vertical distance and horizontal distance both are same here, and it is 25 mm. D by d. After that, next one, just a minute. So this is a d by d. Next one, d1 into d2. In our first type, both the dimension is same, that means horizontal and vertical dimension is same, that's why d by d 25. So if we use d1 into d2, so there are the different dimensions, vertical as well as horizontal. So if we use 15 mm here and 25 mm d2, so 15 mm for d1 and 25 mm for d2. So if we click over there, so let's see, the dimension get changed. So horizontal dimension is 15 mm and vertical dimension is 25 mm. So it mentioned here. So horizontal dimension is 15 and vertical dimension is 25. Instead of d1 by d2, chamfer is used. After that, next one is angle into d. Most of the time in drawing, the angle is to be mentioned, and suppose it is 35 degree. So if we use 35 degree, then from that horizontal plane, the angle of chamfer will be 35, and the distance is 15 mm. That means horizontal distance is 15 mm, and the angle from horizontal plane will be 35 degree. We can change over here. Suppose it is 60, then from that horizontal plane angle will be 60 degree, and the horizontal distance is 15 mm. And last one is 45 into d. So maximum time the angle of chamfer is to be kept 45 degree. So that's why if we use this fourth option 45 into D. So there is no any change, there is no any option for changing angle because angle is already specified here 45 degree. We have to just change option for changing dimension. So instead of 15, if you use 25, then the angle is 45 degree and the horizontal distance is 25. And then if we click on OK, then the dimension and the chamfer will be applied on that sharp edge. So if we click over that second edge, then the same dimension or same operation will be get repeated. Excuse me. Then next sharp edge. In this way, we can apply the chamfer command for all sharp edge. So this is for chamfer command. In our next practical, we'll see round command, rip command, shell command. So thank you students.